Welcome to our Tutoom training series. In this lesson, we'll learn about the whiteboard tools, going through each one of them, and what you can achieve using them in your presentations. Before proceeding, please ensure you are a presenter and that you have at least one slide in your presentation area. Let's begin. Whenever we're presenters in a room, a vertical toolbar should appear at the left of the presentation area. These are the whiteboard tools. Let's go through the entire set and see some use cases. Let's begin with the first tool. This one changes the position of the toolbar to the right or left of the presentation area. It's a simple tool, just two defined places. Choose the one that benefits you the most on desktop or tablet. Next, the pointer. Whenever you select this tool, a red dot will appear at the top of your cursor. This dot will be visible only inside the slide, not only for you but also for your audience. You can also grab your slide by clicking and dragging it to pan it when it's zoomed. This lets you show your audience what you are pointing at in the current slide so they can follow you along during the presentation. The drawing tool. Click on it to start using it. You can see how your cursor turns into a pen and starts a drawing when you hold your click and move the mouse. If you click the tool one more time, you can change the thickness of your pen by clicking on a certain point or by dragging the dot. You can add freehand drawings on your slide using your mouse or digital pen. The Shape tool lets you choose between some predefined figures. When you click on it, you start drawing by clicking on a point in the slide and releasing it in another one. Click on the tool one more time to select any of the predefined shapes. You can also change the position and size of the shapes using the Selector tool. The Text tool lets you write annotations on your slide. Just click on it to start using it, and similarly to the Shape tool, draw a text box by clicking on a point on your slide and releasing it in another one. Once done, you can start writing. You can also change the size of the text by clicking on the tool one more time and selecting your preferred font size. Additionally, using the Selector tool allows you to change the position and also the size of the text. The Color Picker lets you change the color of shapes, drawings, and text. Just select it and choose between the predefined colors. Once done, click on the tool you need to start drawing or writing. You can delete all of the drawings you made using the Cleaner tool. Just click on it and you'll see a confirmation message. Click on Yes, Clear Canvas to proceed. Keep in mind that this option cannot be undone. And speaking of undoing things, the last tools are Undo and Redo. They work just as you expect, virtually saving an unlimited number of steps backward. You can also use the standard keyboard shortcuts for more ease. If you'd like to learn more, visit us at help.tutoom.com. Tutoom, your digital classroom.